Before any bag takes shape, the journey begins on the open range. Restraint is quick and calm. Respect for the animal is part of the craft. One swift, painless act. Then the real work begins. Salt draws out moisture. Without it, the hide would rot in hours. Stitches are stronger than the leather itself. That's how you build heirlooms. Each pallet holds 15 hives. Tomorrow, they leave for the tannery. Cold chain preserved. The hide won't spoil before it reaches the tannery. 60 miles to the tannery, the hide's first road trip. This is where raw hides become wearable leather. The tannery never sleeps. First stop, the beam house. Time to wash away the salt and blood. "12 hours of soaking, then the real transformation begins. Out of the drum, now these hides travel deeper into the tannery. Gravity and water do the lifting. No electricity wasted here. Every hide gets a visual check. Defects are flagged before they travel further. From wet to dry, from dirty to clean, the monorail never stops. Lime loosens the hair. It's harsh work, but necessary.
Over here! Drum's ready! Watch the steam!
12 hours in lime, the hair will slip right off. Hair goes to compost, the hide stays on track. Every ounce of fat removed, only the strong grain remains. Top grain for luxury bags, the rest becomes something else. Acid stops the lime, water washes away the past. The hide is neutral now. Pickled and preserved. Now these hides are ready to enter the tannery's heart. Behind these walls, chemistry and craft turn hide into heirloom. Every delivery is logged. Every hide has a paper trail.
Papers look good. You're clear to proceed. Same faces, same routine. Different hides every day.
Punched in. Ready for 16 hours of transformation.
Shift start. Proceed to stations.
Protection first. Tannery chemicals don't forgive. The noise hits you first, then the smell, then the scale.
Clear the line! Green, watch the steam!
This is the tannery's heart, beating 24 hours a day. Every drum is a timer. Every button changes the hide's future. Chrome makes leather soft, strong, and stable. The transformation is almost complete.
8 hours. No shortcuts. The drum does its work alone.
Good.
Full penetration. The chrome reached every fiber. Every batch is tested. Consistency is the difference between luxury and scrap. Blue in color, soft in hand. The hide is now leather, but not yet finished. Water is heavy. Removing it saves money and time.
Green. Yellow. Red.
Top grade goes upstairs. The rest become belts, wallets, or soles.
Up the stairs. Into the finishing line. Only the best leather goes here.
Size matters for bag patterns. One bag needs one continuous hide. Sorted, tagged, and stored. The best hides wait for their turn in the finishing line. Cool, dry, and dark, the leather rests before the next transformation. Inventory down to the square foot. No hide gets lost in this system. 24 hours of rest. The fibers relax, the leather remembers its shape. Retanning adds fullness. Syntans make the leather firm for bag construction.
Colors turning.
Chemistry in motion. Blue fades. The leather prepares for dye. Aniline dye soaks into the leather. The color becomes part of the hide, not just a coating. 90 minutes. Every inch of leather drinks in the color.
Out of the dye. The color is set. Now the leather must dry. Squeeze out the excess. Every drop of dye is expensive.
Heat and air. The leather dries slowly, evenly, patiently. What comes out is no longer hide, it's bag-ready leather. From storage to retanning, the leather isn't finished yet. Cool air relaxes the fibers. The leather remembers how to bend. Conditioning replaces the oils lost in tanning. Without it, leather cracks. Thousands of tiny pins. Each one breaks stiffness without breaking the grain. Consistent moisture across the entire hide. No dry spots, no wet spots. Stacked and separated. Ready for the milling drum, the final softening. Two hours of tumbling, the leather becomes buttery soft, bag ready.
Milling complete. Hides are ready. Whoa, soft as butter. Soft as cloth, strong as armor. This is luxury leather.
Every irregular edge removed. Only the perfect rectangle moves to finishing. From raw hide to finished leather, now the bag makers take over. Computer vision finds the best use of every square inch. Waste is expensive. Lasers don't guess. Every cut is precise to 1/10 of a millimeter.
Alignment perfect.
20 tons of force. One clean cut. No fraying, no tearing.
Nothing is wasted. Even the scraps become something useful. Robot precision, human supervision. Together they build faster.
Computers see what human eyes miss. Only perfect panels proceed. Thinner edges fold cleaner. A bag's strength is in the details. Painted edges resist moisture and wear. It's the mark of a luxury bag. Holes drilled by machine, stitches guided by hand, the best of both worlds. Every panel knows which bag it belongs to. Barcodes keep it honest. Automation prepares. Human hands assemble. Now the bag takes its final form. The first stitch. Every bag starts with a single hole and a single thread. Lock stitch. The strongest stitch in leatherwork. It won't unravel. Five millimeters. 5 millimeters. Straight seams are easy. Curved seams separate the pros from the amateurs. 20 stitches in one spot. That strap will never rip out. Zippers are unforgiving. One misaligned tooth ruins the whole bag.
Smooth. Rivets don't come loose. Handles will outlast the bag itself.
Burnished edges resist water and wear. It's the final touch before assembly. A bag without a lining is half a bag. This one is almost whole.
Lining in.
Hardware is jewelry for bags. Cheap hardware ruins expensive leather. One bag, 100 stitches, 0 defects. This one passes.
Scan complete.
The bag leaves the floor. Now it enters the lab, where science judges quality. UV doesn't lie. This bag's surface is flawless. $48,000 rubs. That's 10 years of daily use. This leather won't quit. $450 newtons. That strap can hold a small child. Not that you should try. No color comes off. Your white shirt is safe against this bag. 100,000 folds. That's a bag that opens and closes every day for 50 years.
Salt air won't tarnish this brass. Beach vacations are safe. Good. Smooth.
Clean leather stays clean. No mold, no bacteria, no smell. Every bag carries its passport. This leather has earned its place in the world. Every luxury bag sleeps in a dust cover. It's the first thing the customer touches. Each bag has its own throne. No rattling, no shifting, pure presentation. Weight, barcode, destination. The bag is now a package. 49 bags an hour, each one destined for a different customer. Robots build the pallet. Humans check the pattern. Together, no mistakes. Plastic armor for the journey. This pallet will cross oceans. Milan, Paris, New York. These bags have passports and plane tickets. And this is how modern factories produce buffalo leather bags from start to finish.
And this is how modern factories produce buffalo leather bags from start to finish.